Hey there, business owners of West Houston. Today I've got an urgent update that you absolutely can't afford to ignore. Cybersecurity experts at Impress IT Solutions have just flagged some major vulnerabilities affecting PostgreSQL and BeyondTrust software. Yes, it's serious, and it could impact your business operations significantly. So what's happening? Researchers have identified a critical SQL injection vulnerability in PostgreSQL, tagged CVE 2025-1094. This flaw allows attackers to execute arbitrary code and gain unauthorized access. Now here's the kicker. These cybercriminals are combining this with another vulnerability in BeyondTrust software, specifically CVE 2024-12356. Together, these vulnerabilities can give them full remote control over your systems. How exactly are these attacks happening? First, they exploit the SQL injection in PostgreSQL, manipulating database commands to break in. Then, they chain these vulnerabilities to escalate their privileges, gaining full network access. It's like giving them the keys to your kingdom. They even use malicious shortcut commands in PostgreSQL to execute shell commands remotely. But that's not all. They're also leveraging brute force attacks on VPN services, exploiting weak passwords to gain initial access. Once in, they steal sensitive data and maintain long-term network access. So what's the impact? Businesses in West Houston, especially those in IT services, manufacturing, and finance, are at heightened risk. Imagine unauthorized access to your critical business data, compromised remote access solutions, operational disruptions, and even ransom demands. The financial losses and reputational damage could be devastating. Now, how can you protect your business from these threats? Impress IT Solutions advises you to take proactive security measures immediately. Apply security patches right away. Implement strong access controls and enforce multi-factor authentication. Monitor your network for unusual activity, secure your remote access solutions, and conduct regular security audits. With cyber threats evolving rapidly, you need a trusted IT partner to stay ahead. Impress IT Solutions provides comprehensive cybersecurity services from vulnerability management to incident response and proactive security monitoring. Don't wait for an attack to hit. Secure your business today. Contact Impress IT Solutions for a full cybersecurity assessment and fortify your defenses. Stay safe, West Houston.